Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out gently. The chart will always move, but right now, you are still. This is your time to reset, to find the discipline and clarity that bring consistency. Feel your body sitting here, your feet steady on the ground, your hands resting calmly, your shoulders soft, your face relaxed. You are safe. You are here. The market is outside, but your mind is within your control. Every trader wants consistency, but many chase it in the wrong places, jumping from strategy to strategy, overtrading when the plan is not clear, forgetting that consistency comes not from the market, but from the trader, from the discipline inside you. Close your eyes. Imagine your trading desk in front of you. The screen is filled with charts. Price moves up, price moves down. But in front of those charts, you see a notebook, your trading plan. Your rules are written clearly. Your entries, your exits, your risk limits. This notebook is your anchor. No matter how wild the market feels, you return to the plan, and the plan brings you calm. Repeat these words in your mind. I follow my plan with discipline. My consistency comes from patience, not prediction. I trade only when my rules are met. My edge is clarity, not emotion. Discipline builds consistency. Consistency builds freedom. Consistency is not found in one big win. Consistency is built in the small choices. Each time you wait for your setup, each time you respect your stop, each time you walk away when the plan says no trade, you are building the habits of a consistent trader. Take another deep breath in and slowly let it go. When you return to the screen, you will not chase, you will not guess, you will act with discipline, with patience, and with a plan. Open your eyes when you are ready. Return with focus. And remember, your consistency is not given by the market. Your consistency is created by you. This meditation is complete, and your next trade begins with clarity.